What up, true fam? This is Phon-Er Gold. This is Block 205. It's pretty cold right now in LA, California. We're in Las Vegas Village, and we just got a call from Yelp, who's literally right across the street from where I'm stationed in Coffee Bean. He was at Albertsons right there, that big Albertsons you see. So he just told me like, hey, are you guys far? Because I'm in Las Vegas Village. I'm like, dude, I'm literally in Coffee Bean. He's like, hey, dude, I'm literally in Albertsons. I'm like, dude, that's crazy, dude, that's rad. And then anyway, so he came and he dropped the phone off, and so I'm just gonna take care of the phone really quick, and he's gonna be back in 10 minutes so we can just have it ready for him. So we have a 10-minute time clock on our hands, which is awesome because I don't violate time clock anyway. So let's do this. Peace, and we'll see the cut.
Yeah.